Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. To be honest, on this kind of watch, it's really spontaneous. It's really good and it's really tough and it's really awesome. So enough of me talking, let us just get started. As you can see guys, we are having the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro and we're gonna just unbox this kind of watch and check out the features which it has, and we're gonna use it. So as you can see, the interface and things here and there. This kind of watch, it's really kind of awesome and it gives you much good features throughout it, and you can even call throughout the watch. Now enough of me speaking, let us just unbox this kind of watch so as we can see what it got inside. So guys, here we have it. This is our Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. As you can see, I opened up already because I was really kind of hyped and I used it already, so as I can see what's going on with this kind of watch. Now we're gonna just unbox it first to see what's packed inside, because I'm really kind of pumped to see what's goody through this kind of Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. What do they got? What do Amazfit have through this kind of watch? So as we can see guys, there we have it. This is our packaging and you can see the logo there of Zepp OS, which is really kind of awesome. Ooh, up your game, which is really kind of cool. You've been greeted with that. So we're gonna just open up here. Let us just open up there to see what's packed inside. As you can see, we are having the watch. So this is our watch, Amazfit GTR 3 Pro, which is really cool. So I'm gonna keep it aside. And what we got toward the box, it's really kind of great. As we can see, we are having the paperwork here, which if you have time you can just pass by and read them and enjoy what's good about this kind of watch throughout the paperwork. And another kind of stuff, we're having the cable. Now this is the cable which charges the Amazfit, and it's a magnetic one. So let me just share with you guys how you charge it, so as you can have a perfect glance through this watch. You see, you just snap it at the back and it will just charge just like that. You just snap it at the back just like this way and it will just start charging. Now it's that time we're waiting for, so as we can just turn it on and explore this kind of watch and see what's goody. As you can see there, it says Amazfit and it's just powering up, and let's see what's goody about it. To be honest, this kind of watch, I've been using it for a while and it's really kind of awesome through different kind of features which it has. And not only that, but it's really kind of great. As you can see, we are inside the software wise here and it's really kind of awesome. So guys, as you can see, this is the watch face and you can just hold it and interchange between different watch faces you want to, which is really kind of great throughout this kind of watch. So you can select any kind of watch face if you feel it. This one is by default, which comes with it. So whenever you set up this watch, you'll be created by this watch face, but you can just change different variety of watch face you want throughout by default, and you can even install variety of watch faces throughout the App Store. And on the menu side, if you tap this kind of button here, it will just take you to the menu directly, and you can see you can just scroll here to give you different variety of your watch throughout apps and the way you interact, which is really kind of awesome. You can see here pi, heart rate, blood oxygen, many more kind of app here. Another kind of stuff what's good about it, you can go to more and you can see, you can check out even sun, time of rising the sun and time when the moon goes up, which is really kind of awesome, and you can just have a look. So if you're in a different country, this is really kind of worth feature to have it, which is great. You can see compass, barometer, cycle tracking, breathe, stopwatch, find my phone. So whenever I tap here, it will just start ringing on my phone. You can hear that phone, it's ringing right now, which is really kind of great. World clock, you can see world clock there. You can see bunch of stuff. You can even record your sound. So this is the voice memo. So let us just do one voice memo so as you can see. So my voice right now is being recorded throughout the watch, which is really kind of great. And you can see there the countdown which it counts right now between the watch and the recording throughout the watch, which is really kind of awesome. So if you're out there somewhere, you just want to record, this is how you can get it throughout the watch and you can just use it. But sometimes having someone throughout your watch just like this way, it's really kind of annoying. But for voice memo, this kind of watch, it's really awesome. So yeah, you can even play the voice memo. You can adjust the sound, and it has a speaker. As you can see, so my voice right now is being recorded throughout the watch, which is really kind of great. And you can see see that the countdown which it counts right now between the watch and the recording throughout the watch, which is really kind of awesome. So if you're out there somewhere, you just want to record. So just like that, guys, we're good to go. Another kind of feature which is so great, you can remote control your phone camera. Another kind of great about this kind of display, it's an AMOLED display, so you won't get any kind of problem through that. And last but not least, this kind of button here helps you throughout activity, but I think you can change it to different kind of thing you want. And you can even see something here. You see this kind of small button here, you can scroll. If you scroll, it will shift different apps you want, which I find it's really kind of great. It reminds me on the Galaxy Watch, the ring which you do it, it's really kind of awesome, but this one, it's really top notch. I really kind of give it a shout out through the Amazfit or Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. It's really kind of awesome. So that's what's up, and you can even navigate through different widgets on your watch face just like that to showcase you what's going on. Here it's like a glance, you can see what's happening, blood oxygen, you can see what's going on here, which is really kind of awesome. So yeah, so guys, that's what's up about the video of today of Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. To be honest, this kind of watch, it's really kind of great, and I've been using it for almost 2 weeks right now. And to be honest, through this kind of watch, what the features which I love mostly is the calling feature, whereby I can just speak on the watch, and it's really kind of awesome. Another kind of feature, it has a built-in like a storage whereby you can store some music throughout the watch, which it's come really in handy. Let me just say, like you're outside somewhere going for an outdoor adventure, well, and you just don't want to use your phone, or your phone is down on charge, and you still want to groove on the music throughout the Bluetooth and even throughout the watch. Another kind of top feature through this kind of watch which I like about it, it's the display. The AMOLED display, it's very vividly, even if you're out there, you can see things at glance, you can interact, you can use the watch, you can know things here and there, because the watch has maximum brightness, which it's very vividly, which it's really kind of awesome. So I really kind of recommend throw this kind of watch for fitness people and normal usage. This kind of watch, it's really awesome. I kind of like loving it through my daily, but the only downside, I don't find it's worth it through sleeping with it, because you can sleep with the watch, but to me, I just like, man, I just don't find if it's really worth it throughout sleeping with it. But anyways, this is the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Are Amazfit really kind of worth it, or Amazfit, they're supposed to change the game and put it like the way TicWatch they're doing throughout the Wear OS and stuff like that? That's what's up, guys, about the video of today, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.